Install main arm pivot pin and mount plate. Then install main arm. Slide main arm pivot pin through the main arm and mount plate. Align the bolt holes of the main arm pivot pin and mount plate. Then install the bolt and nut and tighten. Apply anti-seize to the main coulter hub tube. Then install the main coulter hub assembly. Next, align the bolt hole. Install nut and bolt and tighten. Next, install grease certs in the closure arm pivot tube and tighten. Next, install the grease cert in the main arm pivot pin and tighten. Next, install the drop tube on the main arm. Install 2 bolts and nuts. Please note when tightening the drop tube to center the drop tube on the face of the main hub or centered on the main coulter. Next, install the closure arm bushing in the main arm. Then install the closure arm. Install the pig snout to the end of the closure pivot using the 2 bolts. Be sure to Loctite these bolts prior to tightening. Next, we're going to install the closure blade hub assembly to the closure arm. Install the 2 bolts and nuts. Please note when tightening these 2 bolts to push the backside of the closure blade towards the drop tube. Next, install the main arm springs with the cap. Please note the bolt is installed from the bottom of the main arm through the cap. The nut will be on top. Tighten until the top of the cap is 10 1/4 to 10 3/8 inches above the top of the mount plate.